So, we got a little bit of a, that's loose. You see what's going on.
This is a FMF Turbinecore 2 for my kid's YZ85. They're all kind of built the same for whatever you're putting them on. Obviously start with the bolts you can take out. Take those out. Same process if you're gonna repack it, but we are gonna have to rip through some rivets to get that, I guess you'd call it the turbine out, and the cap off. And you wouldn't necessarily need to take the turbine out, but I mean, as you can see, the packing was pretty toasted on this. So you're gonna rip through the rivet, grab your drill bit, whatever. Pound that out, So now once you got that out, if yours is doing the same thing this was doing, you can see there's a tab on the bottom, there's no tab on the top. Top tab has fallen off, it's left the chat. And while you have it apart, you might as well give it a little shine and clean it up a little bit. Grab you some brake clean or whatever you have within reach. Spray it, scrape it, do whatever. This one was pretty bad. We didn't do it, it's got a whole season plus some on it, I would say. So, get you something, spray it, scrape it, clean it, do whatever it takes. Get it a little bit cleaner for that fresh packing.
All right. We're going to weld this tab back on. Gonna be too hard.
All right, got the tab welded on. Took the die grinder, knocked down the weld a little bit so it fit back in.
So. It should line up. Got that fixed. Got her hammered in there. You see we're pretty close.
And then, grab you a little gasket sealer, gasket maker, some high temp stuff. Pop it around the edge before you put it back on. And then you're just gonna replace the rivets that you had to drill out to get everything out. Now, to get that turbine core out, I did use the handle, the wood handle of a hammer, and then just tapped on that to get it to slide out. But and you might have to finesse it a little bit, couple taps here or there, whatever, to get these rivets to go back in. It's not too big of a deal. And, welding that tab on, how long is it going to last? Well, I don't know. But it's a lot cheaper than buying a new FMF Turbinecore. So we'll go with that for now. Hopefully it won't give us any more problems. And then just tap that in after you get it repacked. I like to start all 3 bolts by hand and then just ratchet them in and then just pop it back on the bike. Well, clean it off, clean it up, make it look nice, and then pop it back on the bike and you're pretty much done.